Hey there everybody. In this video, we're going to be talking about some of the key things that you need to be paying attention to when it comes to credit. There's so many avenues that people aren't touching the bases on, like how to manage your credit, how to build your credit, how to protect your credit, and what it takes, what you need to do in order to have a great credit history. So stick around till the end of this video and learn all the things that they should have taught us in high school. There are tons of reoccurring payments that you're going to be doing on a regular basis, such as utilities, phone bills. Experian Boost gives you the luxury of being able to add those monthly expenses to your credit history, hence building it even further. Another extremely important tip is going to be making sure that all of the open accounts that you have on your credit history are made and paid 100% in full, on time, every single time. In the event of any late payments, this could hurt your credit score drastically. So you're gonna wanna make sure that every account that's open is paid at 100% and on time, preferably before the due date. This is gonna help others see that you're extremely reliable when it comes to paying back money that you owe. If you're having trouble finding methods of getting active, good standing accounts on your credit history, you can do things like have people in your household who you trust highly put the cars under your name, whether it's a lease or a finance. Having one credit card is great and all, but you're gonna want to have multiple existing and active good standing accounts on your credit to show that you are able to manage a whole bunch of responsibility when it comes to your finances. Another way that has been working fantastic for me for the last couple of years is gaining a secured credit card. A secured credit card is basically just like any other credit card, except you do put some money down while they put it on hold for you, and that tends to be the limit. Now here is one of the biggest tips that I'm gonna pass on to you guys that I use personally. This is not an advertisement or promotion, but downloading Credit Karma is gonna be extremely helpful when it comes to tracking your open accounts, your outstanding debts, recurring payments, your credit score, possible collections, and so much more.